Hi everyone, this demo is on repair module. Um, Repair module will be available to repair manager or an administrator. At present I'm logging into the application as an administrator, clicking on login. We'll be redirected to the home page of the administrator here. From the top navigation bar, click on repairs. This is the dashboard of repair module, which has default as calendar view. We also have one more view called list view. This is my search filters. I can search my customer name, the repair ID, and we have some statuses here by store, by technician, or at present, like these are all for this month, July 2009. On 16th of July, I have three repairs scheduled, and by default, I have excluded my completed repairs. If I want to see that, just click on no and click on search. You'll see a difference here. Before it was 3, I have 4 here repair IDs. On 21st, a repair was been completed. Just mouse over on the repair ID, we'll get the details like the customer name, the technician to which it is been assigned, um, the status of the repair, the serial number, the warranty details, booked in date, store details, and if we have any internal notes, we'll get a notification saying internal note on file. As I said, it is associated with the store. The background color what we are seeing, the blue color here is as it is an associated with a store, South Store, we have this blue color. And for example, if it is associated with a different store called West Store, we'll get one more color. Mainly this will help us to differentiate store based repairs. And these are the color legends we have. These depends on the status what we are seeing here. Let me tell you in more detail about the status. Yeah, these are all the status I have. The initial status will be booked in state. We will keep booked in state like when customer brings the product for repair, and if it is not yet assigned, the initial by default will have the status will booked in. Once it is assigned to a technician, he will just change it to repair in progress. Repair is assigned to a technician and work is in progress here. And we have 3 status here: waiting for parts, rush, waiting for customer reply. These 3 are conditional statuses. For example, waiting for parts will keep repair is on hold when waiting for parts which are not available in inventory. And once we get that part available in the inventory, then the status is changed to rush automatically. And the next status is waiting for customer reply, and if you are waiting for any customer reply, we can just keep this status. Once the repair is completed, we can change the status to completed. So we were seeing the calendar view. I'm clicking on list view. Yes, this is my list view. By default here I have excluded my completed one. So before I was saying this color is for store. For example, just select South Store. We'll get it all blue colors, and select West Store. We get colors in yellow, and we can search by status. Here the results what we are seeing here is descending order. The main reason why we have descending order is we'll get the repairs which are pending from some which are ever pending. For example, this repair is scheduled on 19th of October and it's still in progress. So we'll get the latest one at the bottom, and we'll also get the details like apart from the calendar view, we got the details what we have got there. The details here varies. For example, if we go for this customer, this repair 10956 repair ID, we'll get the customer name, the product, we'll get the booked in date and the completed date, the status completed, the total cost of that repair, and how much time exactly it has taken. And next to customers, yeah, we can search customers by their first name and the last name. Just click on search. We'll get the list of customers here. We can also select search by a customer name called Chris. We'll get all the customers whose name is starting with Chris, and we'll see something like the IDs associated here. These IDs, for example, this Chris has come for 3 times, and he got these 3 different IDs associated with him. So this is how we can also store the history of a customer. How many times he came to us, how much revenue he has generated for us. The next, I'm going for technicians. We will see repair section later. The customers what we have seen, technicians what we have seen is similar to what we have it in user module. A user module, we can create a technician, any role in user module. This screen is particular to only technician. For example, if I'm creating a person, he will be assigned a technician role. The same is the case with customer. I'm clicking on search, so we'll get all the technicians available and the repair IDs associated with them. So I'm just clicking on one of maybe Louis Philip. We'll get his details. I'm going for the repair history to check how many repairs Louis has done. He has attended 4 repairs, and these are the status. We'll also get the stored information here. Next to technician history, I just want to know how much revenue Louis has generated. I'm clicking on year 2008, search. We will get how much revenue this person has generated for us, and click on calendar. This is personal calendar to for this technician, and he can also apply leaves here. Apply a leave. Just click on a date, and for example, I'm applying leave on 28th. So on 28th itself, my birthday. Click on save. Yes, I want leave, and this is the reason why I need a leave. And we have also have something like orders, repairs, and quotes. If the person if this person has created any orders, we can just click on this one to get that orders, and the same is the case with repairs and quotes. Next, we'll go to repair setup. Repair setup, we have repair setup is similar to what we have in general setup. General setup is a control panel for entire application. Repair setup is a setup for a repair module. We have something called accessories, common problems, and stolen items. Accessories, we have this section. We use this as a lookup in while creating a repair. We have this in our list box so that we can select. For example, I got a machine for repair which has power cord associated with it. I can just select this one. Instead of making a note of each and everything, we can have a common list here. Next to common problems, the same similar to what we have in accessories. We can list out all commonly addressed issues. Basic tune-up is one of the commonly addressed issues, and what is the service cost of it. And we can also create a new one. Stolen items. This is associated with the stolen items. What we are seeing here is similar to what is there in our product administration screen. The main reason why we have included the stolen items here is like if a technician gets or a repair manager gets any notification of about the theft of a product, he can just come here, cross check whether the details of the product, and from which warehouse it has been, and when it was been created, and he can inform the appropriate authorities.